It's getting lower and lower. There been 1 hour.
Oh wow, it's so
I think
close.
they're rescuing, yeah.
See, they look like they're rescuing someone dead. They're so close.
Someone's going down.
Did someone go down a rope?
Yep.
Alfie!
Carrying a stretcher.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there is a rope.
Yep.
There's a rope. They're rescuing.
Stretcher.
Wow, the stretcher's not right.
Yeah, there's no one in it. Did a man go down or they just drop a stretcher?
A man, yeah, there's a man with
Man down
a
there,
stretcher,
right.
yeah.
So it could be stabilising the patient.
Oh, the rope's gone down again.
Yeah. I think you're going to get now.
There's like a, but there's nothing to. It's just a red ribbon. They put the rope back down, Dad.
They're pulling up. They're pulling up. Oh,
Oh,
what's that?
they put like a red ribbon down there and then they just brought it back up. Is there a man on there?
I'm not sure what's that. No, I think it's Alfie.
Silly, silly, silly. No, naughty, naughty. No, naughty, naughty, not on the couch. It's Alfie.
That is a late reaction, Alfie.